we will be finishing our Alpine trees today. If you remember correctly, last week we painted, or 2 weeks ago actually, you had your Veterans Day program last week we were practicing for. You painted your Alpine tree, you did a snow, you also painted a stem. So today we're going to be putting it all together. We're going to be adding some snow and we're going to be adding some snowflakes. So you will need your 3 pieces today. You will need white paint, you will need a paintbrush, the front and the back, and glue. So the very first thing you're going to do is we are going to create this look right here that this Alpine tree is sitting inside of a pile of snow. And how we're going to do that is we are simply going to take our paper, and it doesn't matter because it's a cube, so it doesn't matter which way you turn it, and we're going to tear it. And when we tear it, it's going to give us that, do you see how it looks snow-tipped? Isn't that cool? That's a really cool technique. So we're just going to tear it, okay? And you can be creative with your tear. That's okay. It doesn't matter. And I'm going to actually tear some of this just to have some snow show right up here. You can just kind of be creative. Tear you a few off. That's great right there. Okay. So I'm going to glue my first piece on because I'm actually going to be putting my trunk of the tree inside of it, just like this. So, and I might tear a little more of that off. So I'm going to glue my first piece down the bottom of my tree. Remember, dots, not a lot. It does not take a whole lot of glue. Gloppy glue monsters really makes your picture, it just does not look as good with gloppy glue monsters. So you want to kind of be creative with your, you want to push this down and see how that's kind of sticking up. That's okay. That's where I go in and I just kind of glue where I need to and push it down. All right, my next step is I'm going to go ahead and glue my stem inside of that snow mound. Again, not too much glue. Put that trunk right there at the bottom of the tree, and that's okay if your tree comes down below your snow. That's okay. All right, and then I'm going to actually tear this a little more. I'm going to pull it forward. If I pull it forward, I really get that nice little snow tip. I'm going to take it, I'm going to tear it. Beautiful. And now I'm going to just simply put this. Oh, look, I love that little happy mistake. It looks like a bunch of snow is sitting right in there. All right, and then I'm going to glue this piece. Dots. Not a lot. I'm going to glue this right over my little tree trunk. All right, so I got that part done, but I'm not done. I'm actually going to go in with this white paint, and I might want to, I know last week we did a little bit of touches of white on the ends of the trees with your Tigger hoppers, but I think I want to take my brush this week, and I just kind of want to go in here, and I want to just kind of dab some of these places on the edges of the tree. I'm looking for more of a, see how I'm just kind of hopping? I don't want too much snow. See, this is actually enough right here. I don't want too much, but I know quite a bit of snow is going to be right up in here. I'm just going to tap, tap, tap on some of these places where I know there's going to be more snow. Maybe I want to add some more snow in the center to make it look more realistic and unified. Maybe I want to put some snow quite a bit up here on the top of the tree, just because I know this, when the snow falls, most of it's going to catch right here at the top of this tree. Beautiful. And I'm just doing kind of the edges, not too much. And I'm hopping. I'm actually Tigger hopping with this brush. I'm not painting the snow on. I'm Tigger hopping. Now I'm going to flip my brush over and I'm going to create those really nice big, it looks like a nice winter night scene, if you can notice on that, how I've got those really nice big snowflakes. And we're just going to dab snowflakes all over the picture. You want it on top of the tree too, to make it look like it's falling in front of the tree. You want to do it a few times because it gives you different size snowflakes. I'm going to do do some down here. The more I do it, it gives me different sizes and it makes it look a little more realistic. Just a few. And voila, I have created a beautiful snowy night winter scene alpine tree. Come in here, put a few there. Just kind of look at it, see where you need to balance it out. Perfect. And that's all we're going to do today. When you are done with this, you will put it on the drying rack, get your wipe, and clean your mat. Have fun.